guys, so today I'm doing my morning routine on a rainy day. Sorry that I look so bad. I look orange and stuff. I woke up at about like 10:56 and it's 11:04 and it's raining. And I'm silly. I already used the bathroom because I couldn't hold it. But I really wanted to film it because it hasn't rained in a couple days. Or why? With my family. I slept on the last night though, because Lexi slept right there because she wanted to use my blanket too. And I said, okay. Want to get on the chair? Crazy. My thumb hurts. Doesn't look like it's big, but it looks like it's big. What? Huh? Yeah. Have you had breakfast yet? No. Oh. Yeah, try a little bit. It's sour though. Don't spray a lot in there. Because Ian sprayed a lot and he hurt his mouth. Because it was so sour. So, yeah. First thing I do is get on, talk to my family, but then I look around for my phone. Always lose it somehow. And I check my social medias. I usually do that on my tablet and stuff. So I check my social medias. It's 11:06. And I'm going to So yeah, I'll get you guys when I'm done. Okay, so I just finished all my social medias. I put my phone over there with my winking pillow. I stretch a lot in the morning. I stretch really a lot.
She's going from corner to corner swimming. She was just at that corner, now she came to this side. This is laying in the dishwasher. Lizzie's just sleeping. Iris.
So I'm in my pajamas. Hi, Iris. Hi, beautiful. Hi, Mama.
Oh!
Are you okay?
Shithead.
Mister, she was trying to
I
take a
wanted to
picture.
take his picture of me, jump down. He's
Yeah.
probably gonna run away from me every time he sees me now because I combed him. Ow.
I just put Iris.
Because I got big up.
Oof.
Mister. Oh, what is he getting? Cheese. The bottom of it.
Cheese.
Smile.
Cheese.
Thank you. I usually play with him through it. Winter, winter. I'm going. Winter, winter. Oh.
He's like, no. Alright, so I'm going to get dressed. I brush my teeth before breakfast and after breakfast. So I'm not going to show you guys my underwear, obviously. Like, I don't show you guys that stuff if I'm changing into it. But so wearing these funky pants. And they have elephants on them, which was a birthday outfit. And I'm wearing this light pink shirt because these have pink on it. Ooh, and I almost fell over. And it has an elephant on it. So I put this on. Oh. We're about to go build something. It looks crazy.
My phone goes off. Tell me.
Hey, for the cupboard door.
Yes.
I'll get back to you guys. Part of my morning routine, but it is today. We're building.
She doesn't want to be on camera.
I didn't show her. I showed the boards. Oh well, apparently. So. There's Izzy. Oh, yeah, that's her. This is what we're doing today. Okay, guys, so I'm in the bathroom now, and I'm just gonna brush my teeth before breakfast because I usually brush them after breakfast too. But I'm not gonna film that. But I usually do. Just I didn't think you guys would want to see me, like, I don't want to make this video extra long. Hey, Annie. Nope, she doesn't like me. Over. Yeah, that's all I'm going to film for my morning routine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye, guys.